back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. I am back, you guys. I've been gone for a while now, but I am back. I'm super excited to be back, and I am filming a fall look today for you all, and it's going to be my simple go-to fall makeup tutorial, and I just really love everything about this. As you can see, I cut my hair, so it's super short now, if you guys didn't already know. But yes, I cut my hair before I went on vacation to Hawaii. So I also went to Hawaii, and it was such a great trip. It was so chill, so relaxed, very much needed away from work and just from the real world, you know. So I was off social media for a little bit. I did post some of my Hawaii photos on there, so you guys should definitely check out my Instagram and follow me there, please. And I do update my my Instagram and my Twitter. So yeah, I also vlog for my Hawaii vlog, so just stay tuned for that. You guys will be seeing a vlog coming soon from Hawaii. Now that all of that is done, I am back here. I'm going to be filming again, and yeah, I'm just super excited, super stoked to be filming a lot more videos. So yeah, I really hope you guys are excited as well. Yeah, the fall season is coming, so it is definitely going to be much cooler. Although the first day of fall, it does not feel like fall. It's still scorching hot outside, so this sweater is just for the video. But yeah, I just created this monochromatic look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. Putting concealer all over my face. Spot concealing is what I do best. And I'm looking a little bit crazy because I did finish this eye, but I primed my eyes on this side, and I am about to start working on it. We got the Morphe 39A palette. So we got this big old baby right here, and I've been wanting it ever since it came out, and since they brought it back, I finally got my hands on it, and I can't wait to show you guys looks using this palette. So it looks like this. So little pictures or the names, so I will be using that as a reference. And then of course we have the palette right here. So I will be incorporating browns, as you can see on my eyes. And yeah, let's jump into this look. The first color that I'll be using is called Vivid, so that will be my transition shade. That's gonna be more of the orangey tone colors I like using for my crease. Just gonna put that right on top. This is gonna be a really simple look. Alright, so after that I will be using a brown shade for an all over color. And the shade that I will be going is called Mass. Like a really dark brown shade. I'm literally just putting it all over my eyes. Kind of giving me that brown smoky eye look. For the outer corners, I will be using the shade Deep Hue in Expression. Just like mix the two, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners. I'm going to also blend it out. Alright, and that's it, you guys. That's it for the eyes. It's really simple, but I like the simple dark smoky eye. So we are going in with foundation, and of course my favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation. So we're going to be spritzing some of my Cover FX Dewy Finish setting spray just to soak it up. Going to start blending my foundation. I just love this foundation. It's just really nice coverage, nice and full, and it just is really smooth on the skin. And now is not the time to have a runny nose. I look a bit cray right now, but it'll all come together. Foundation is done. We are going back into a concealer, and of course the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer underneath the eyes. Right down the nose. I'm going to blend this in, but of course I will be spritzing it again just to give it some moisture. Then I will be tapping it onto the skin. This is truly a beautiful concealer. My forehead creases a lot, so I feel like if I add a little bit more of the spray on there, it won't crease too much. We will be eliminating some of this dewiness with the Hourglass translucent powder. Using that and powdering my skin down. Just going to eliminate some of this dewiness, sadly. I'm going in with my trusty Marc Jacobs Omega Tintastic bronzer. It just never lets me down. So this is what I'm going to use. Give myself some bronze. I'm going in with the Burt's Bee blush. And this is in the Toasted Cinnamon shade. It just gives me that nice bronzy look. So I really like that, especially for fall. I think this is gonna be like my go-to blush. Just because it's like a perfect color. Like it's like bronzy and like peachy at the same time. But it's not too overpowering, so I'm going to add some of that on top here as well. I'm going to do some baking. So that's going to be going here. The Hourglass powder. Right, so I'm going to go off camera and work on these brows and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I am back with brows on and my baking off. But let's go ahead and continue working on the eyes. So I'm going to add a wing liner, and then I will be putting lashes over these lash extensions that are like practically falling off. So we are going in with this Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner. So put this liner on because of these lashes. And then next we are going in with some lashes, and we are going in with the House of Lashes Iconics. So while we wait for the lashes to dry, I am going in with this Pixi Glow Cake, the Gilded Bear Glow. So it's like a highlighter and then a blush. It's like ombre or gradient. They look super cute, super glittery. I've tried this and I love it so much. So I will be using the highlighter on this one. Taking this highlighter part, apply right on there. Side. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this. Lashes are on, so they're really nice. It definitely completes the look. But we are going to work on the lower lashes, and we are going to use the same exact colors that we used on the top part here, so no difference there. I'm just going to use Vivid right down here. This is when a dark brown eyeliner comes in handy. Alright. And we are going to end with this Maybelline liquid lipstick. So this is the shade Amazonian. And this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. The perfect fall lipstick. So pretty. I love this formula. Oh, so nice. It's so monochromatic. Totally matches my shirt. I'm going to end with the Belif Aqua Bomb Mist. Just set my face. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's very, very simple. It's my simple everyday makeup routine for fall, and I feel like it's very, very fall. And yeah, I really like it, and it totally matches my short hair, you guys. I'm really digging this short hair for now. It's just so easy to clean and to take care of. And to style as well, because I was just so sick of my long hair. But yeah, I really like this look, and I really hope you guys do too. Let me know if you guys recreate this look. So yeah, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.